What's going on, everybody? This is LB the Realist and Isla with Surrealistic Studios. Surreal News, where the real is surreal. Anybody know how to get rid of baby hiccups? She got the hiccups, and she's been having them for a while now. You know, like not today, but she gets them like every other day. And I'm trying to, I know you can't scare a baby like that, right? You're not supposed to be scaring babies like that, right? To get rid of the hiccups. So I'm not doing that, but I'm just saying, like, what else can you do to get rid of the hiccups? Because she got the hiccups. She got the hiccups. Huh, Isla? How do you get rid of hiccups, huh? How do you get rid of them? Do I pat her back? Like, I don't know. Maybe I should ask Google. Let me ask Google. Ugh. Want to see something cool, Isla? Watch this. Watch this. You ready? And LB said, "Let there be light." She is totally unimpressed. Oh, wait, there we go. You impressed? Yeah, not really. Not really. Okay. All right, that's fine. Isla, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. All right, y'all. Until next time, love, peace, and light. We'll see you guys on the next video. I just thought she'd say hi. Say bye-bye, Isla. Say bye-bye, Isla. Say bye-bye, Isla.